In this demonstration, we are going to learn how we can create a Oracle Apex workspace using ATP database. I have logged into my Oracle Cloud. I will go to the navigation menu. We need to go to Oracle Database and click on Autonomous Database. So from here, we will get a list of all the ATP databases or all the autonomous databases, not only the ATP. The list we will get over here. I will click on this ATP database. So on the top, we will see view all database actions. We need to click on this and we can click on view all database actions. So this is going to launch a separate tab on your browser. So this will open up the dashboard page for Oracle database actions. So there are a couple of ways how we can navigate to Apex. One is by clicking on the navigation menu on the left top corner and click on Apex. So we need to go to Developments tab over here and click on the Apex, and it will be launching a separate tab on your browser. It's asking the password for the schema and the schema name is mentioned over here. We will populate quickly the schema password. Click on Sign into Administration. We don't have currently any workspaces, so we are getting an option to create a workspace. I will tell create a workspace. So there are a couple of options we get. That is to create a workspace from the existing schema or new schema. Suppose if you want to create a new schema for working with Oracle Apex applications, then you can go for the new schema. Suppose if you want to build the applications on top of existing schema or the data, you can go for existing schema. I will go for the new schema. I will create a new one. So the workspace name I will give as Learning Apex 1001. And the username I will tell over here as Apex admin 1001. And the password you can give as per your wish. Then we can click on create workspace. Suppose if you want to give any other advanced options like the database password and workspace ID, you can give it over here. For more information, what is database password and all, you can click on this help button. Click on create workspace. So this is going to provision or create a workspace for us, and this is how the administration page will look for the newly created Apex workspace. Now if you want to have details, you can just click on the profile and you can see you are an administrator over here. Now let's go back to our Oracle database actions over here. Now we can go to Development tab again and click on Apex, and it will be opening a separate tab on your browser. Here it is asking for the workspace name. We had provided Learning Apex 1001, and the database username is the Apex workspace database username which we had provided, that is Apex admin 1001, and the password. Click on sign in. So this is going to launch the workspace where we can work on the app builder, SQL workshop, team development, and the gallery. So we will learn step by step everything, whatever we see over here. Using the app builder, we can start building our Apex applications. So now the question will arise like, so previously when we clicked on Apex and open, it launched the administration page. Now you will tell that it has launched the designer over here. How we can go back to the administrator? So the answer is on the right top corner. If you see, there is the administration tab. Just click on this and click on administration. So this is called as the workspace for administration. Suppose if you want to go back to the app builder, just click on this app builder. It will take you back to the app builder where you can start building the applications. Or if you just click on Apex, you will be landed into the home page where you will see the options or the tiles for app builder, SQL workshop, team development, and gallery. For all our demonstration purpose, we will be using this Apex workspace which we have created with ATP database.